video you will learn how to create this type of stunning animation inside Snappify. Snappify is a tool that can help you to create code presentations with powerful animations. It can help you to create the interactive slides which you can use in your blog post and elevate your technical content. So the first step is to set the dimensions, the width or height, or I can use the presets that are currently available inside Snappify. So I can use for the Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube, or for the presentation purposes. So for example, in my case, I am creating for LinkedIn account. So I will just select this post 68:9. For the background color, just go here, and here we have options like gradient and solid. We can also customize it using this CSS gradient. What I am going to do is just click on the solid, and now here I am selecting this color. You can use whatever color you want, but need is a shape. Just go here, add form elements, and I will just select it and add this rectangle in the canvas. So this is how that much what I needed. Don't need the red border. In order to change the border color, you just need to click here, and here I'm adding the white border. Inside the white border, I also need to change this border radius. In order to change the border radius, and to change the border radius, just click on the element and use this and set this border radius to 3. Now the border radius is set. Now I wanted to show you a positioning element inside Snappify. So for example, here I'm using drag drop thing, but if I don't want to drag drop thing using the mouse keyword, what I can do, I can also use these options. For example, center element on the x-axis and center on y-axis, so it just centers inside the canvas. So what next is, so I want to change the background color of this element, because right now there is no fill color. I just click on here and set its background to this color. I will just lock this element so that whenever I select another element, this one does not get affected. So to lock this element, you just need to click on here and click lock, then this will get locked, and there is another option. You just need to select from here and click on lock. Now you cannot move this element anymore. Create the shape for the graph, and for that I am adding a rectangle, the very small rectangle, and I don't need any border here, so just set it to 0. And here I am selecting this color. Inside this color, okay, so this is fine, and now I will just set its position and select the rich text element. Inside the rich text element, I only need to set it to 2020. So I don't want any background color. I want its color to be matched with the primary color of this element. To complete this row, I will just put it here, and other one, okay, and for this one I will just use this 2021. Just put it here, the text, the 2021, and change its color. So for example, for this case I'm using pink color and utilizing the same color. So this is how you can copy and paste and make this part. This is the first slide where you can copy and paste. So I'm just copying and pasting all the elements, and these are all the elements. So in order to animate this, I will just duplicate the same slide. Now I'm just duplicating the same slide, and in this case now I'm just moving it up according to my according to the stats. So let's say for this one I want this to uppercase, and this one to be very high in the middle, and this one will move to the upper. So now let's take a look how it is working. And when I go to the next slide, then here you go, the chart is working fine. Now in the next step, what you can do is to add the triggers. Whenever someone click, then the first chart, the 2020 will begin to animate, and when you want another click, then 2021 will begin. So this is how it will work. And in order to do this type of animation, what you can do is just click on the element, and from here you can select on click, after previous, with previous. You can even move these animations from up and down, so you have all the customization options. So if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe this channel and give this video a thumbs up.